going on, guys? We have an exciting video. You guys just saw the GT500 go down the track. We got our first 9-second pass. It wasn't perfect. 60 foot wasn't great. Hot. But we got to lay down a pass and see what the VMP does. Now, you've probably seen the title of this video, and I'm very excited to unbox what's behind me. We actually took a drive down to Palm Beach Dyno to pick this up. Just came in from California, Whipple Superchargers. We're gonna unbox it with Ken, and I'm so excited to see this thing. We're gonna get it installed in the car, and it's gonna be awesome. I cannot wait. Here's Ken, Palm Beach Dyno.
What's up?
Now, it was like, what, about 2 months ago, right?
Yeah.
You're standing right there.
Yep.
Maxed out the other blower. It made more torque.
It's got all the timing in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think we're out of the efficiency
I'd say
rate.
that's it. I mean, it's good. It's great power for that boost. But 23 pounds of boost, and then you got the full exhaust.
What do you think is a solution for that?
Bigger blow. I mean, that's really all. That's your only choice at this point. So absolutely, yeah.
And decided that we needed something new.
Yep, we need something that give us a little bit more boost and power. So that's what's right here in this box.
I'm excited. I'm really excited to see it.
Me too.
So
I haven't seen one in person yet.
Let's slice into this thing. That's not even the blower.
Yeah.
That's the other stuff.
That's like one of those boxes in a box tricks, you know?
Yep.
I didn't even need this. Dun, dun, dun.
Oh man.
It's like, you know, the
reveal curtain.
Yeah, the reveal curtain. Here we go. Gosh.
Yeah, I've seen the pictures of the inlet, and it is insane.
Holy cow. Let's
It looks kind of like the 3.4, you know, the 3.4 crushers.
Yeah.
There she goes. Oh,
almost
yeah.
tipped over.
Dude, that is massive.
Holy cow. I mean, the size of the compressor, you can just tell, you know, obviously this is pretty standard sizing, but when you look at it from the front, I mean, this thing is insane.
Yeah, the inlet is crazy on this thing. Oh man.
Oh, it's like you could walk in there. I'm gonna go take a nap in there.
That looks crazy.
I like how they did some port work here too, it looks like.
Yep. He said something about a race port, so...
Yeah, we don't want to show them that.
Might have someone copy it.
Yeah. Very cool, man. I'm excited. I'm pumped.
Oh, this thing's
When's this
gonna
going
make
on?
some power. ASAP. Possibly Sunday.
Oh yeah.
That's why I came down.
Bring it down
I took
next
it to
week?
the track Wednesday. This came in Friday, which is today. So I drove 3 hours down here.
Nice. Gonna bring it back next week, maybe?
Yeah.
To tune it? Sweet.
Yeah, as long as everything goes according to plan. We do have to lower the engine down a little bit.
Or take the hood off.
Or take the hood off. So one or the other. We'll make it work.
We'll just take this off and we'll put a big scoop on it. Big throttle. We'll put like 3 throttle bodies up here.
Yep.
It's starting to look like that kind of blower. It's so big.
Yeah. So we'll have to look. I think the elbow is probably in that one, right?
Yeah.
The elbow is cool. So you can remove the elbow and get to the spark plugs too really easily. That's what I really like. I love having the removable elbow. The belt. That thing should be pretty big too. Yeah, we could run that. Maybe the elbows in that one. Oh man.
Man, that's just. I don't have very big arms, but still.
That looks so nasty.
Man.
Hell yeah.
I can't wait to see. I don't know. I guess it depends on how much boost you want to throw at that engine. What's Jordan said?
He said we're good for 1300. He wants to make 1300.
Yeah, that'll be.
And we got the crank support now too.
That'll be like easy.
Yeah,
easy.
We got ID 1300X, so that's really our limiting factor.
Based on what we saw on the newest version of the Gen 5 3-liter with Carlos Vera's car, we went 171 miles an hour. And we only had the 3.0 pulley on that car so far, and that's a 3-liter version of this. You know what I mean? Yeah. That's the newest 3-liter that has some changes that aren't in the market yet, but it's part of this design. And
yeah, I mean that's why
I can't even imagine what this is going to be.
I saw Dustin posting some sneak peeks of this because Whipple's always had the 2.9, and the 2.9's been the good old reliable because the 3.4, 4.0, and 4.5 are all similar, just bigger displacement. Yeah. Then they learned on the 3-liter all these airflow tricks, and that's what goes into this. Yeah, there's quite a bit that's been learned on the Gen 5 3-liter in the last 6 months. Even Carlos's car doesn't have the most up-to-date changes. We're getting a new 3-liter for his car with those changes, and then obviously we're going to be testing this on your car. We'll be doing a 3.8 on Carlos's car too soon also. Yeah.
Very cool.
Hell yeah. Alright guys, so you guys saw the 3.8 liter Whipple. I am so excited. This is the brand new blower. I'll have a link down in the description if you want to find out some more details on it. But we're going to be testing this out. I should be installing it tomorrow. Hopefully everything goes well. We do have a lowering kit coming for it so we can fit it under the stock hood if we do end up keeping the stock hood. But we might have to take the stock hood off. I don't know. But our goal is to get the car on the dyno Friday and see what this thing makes. So I'm so excited. Make sure you guys slap the like button, share this video with your friends, and I am so excited. Leave a comment down below what you think this thing's gonna push out, because I am so incredibly excited. I think we're also gonna put the stock intercooler back in the lower intake, which is gonna add a little bit of time to our install, but we gotta experiment, you know, our theories and whatnot. So anyway guys, make sure you slap the like button down below, leave a comment, let us know what you think, and we will see you in the next one.